Hmm? Who am I? I'm God's child. Huh? I'm from America. Yeah. Amazing time. Let me be, let me be. W's in the chat. Africa tour complete. Final moments here with my boy. A start of a new chapter, a new friendship, new brotherhood. God is good.
God is amazing.
Now I got somebody I could talk to on a normal. You can call me. I'm gonna get your number now since we won't be together every day.
Yeah.
You can call me whenever.
Yes.
Call me, text me, anything you need, you hit me.
Yeah. Thank you.
What you about to do? What you about to do now?
He about to start working. He about to start grinding. It's grind time now. It's all on you now. I'm leaving you the city, Rwanda. It's in your hands. The people looking up to you. They counting on you to get those videos to the world.
Yeah.
So you can show them how beautiful Rwanda is. Everybody's gonna want to visit Rwanda now because of you.
Yeah.
100%. So you gotta push the legacy, bro. You gotta push it, man. We're gonna do a team picture. Yeah, we can do a team picture. Final moments in Rwanda, man. I'm thankful, feeling blessed. I really couldn't ask God for any more than what He's given me already. I couldn't, even if I had nothing. Even if I had nothing but Him, that's all I need. See if he can hold the camera too, so we can do this group picture.
For sure.
He got that. All right, boom. Let's run it right here. Team picture. Everybody who's a part of this team.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let me be, let me be.
We're getting choked up.
We need everybody else. Let's go. We ask you.
Ash. Quick picture, come on. What is that? Get in the picture. Where's Dante? Dante, get in the picture. Stop walking around. That boy trying to orchestrate. Get in the picture, boy. Can you see them over there? Make sure you get everybody. It's a stream photo.
No, we got a camera right here.
Came out good?
See. We see.
All right, one more vertical. 3, 2. Rwanda.
Yeah.
Rwanda.
God is amazing.
Rwanda!
Rwanda
All right,
is the
chat.
best city.
Last and final moments.
Yeah.
I appreciate you guys for watching. Everybody in America, everybody in Rwanda, all of Africa. Africa tour was amazing. We didn't find African Ashton Hall, but we did find Ashton Small.
Yeah.
My guy went from 40K to 450,000. Grew as a community. He's gonna hit 1 million. We'll pass him the torch. He is in control now. of his destiny. We'll remain boys, brothers. I thank God for this friendship. I thank God for you. You know, you're a heavy hitter. You make me want to be more peaceful and nice and kind to everybody.
Yeah.
I truly see Christ in you, and that's what it is to be a Christian. But anyways, I love you guys. Ashton Small, love you guys. You know, Jesus is King. You never forget. W's in the chat. We out.
Woo!